Hello everyone. Welcome to Online Help Guide channel. Today, in this video, we are going to show you how to find and use filters on TikTok. So let's start. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, you can see the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it, and it will open camera. You can see the filter icon at the right side of your screen. Tap on the filter icon. Now, at the bottom of your screen, you will find filters. From there, choose the filter you like and record your video. I hope this video was helpful and you are able to find and use the filters on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.